Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online class. Today we are going to see new lesson, chemicals and chemical changes. Lesson we are going to discuss about chemical substances, matter, atom, element, compound and mixture. Chemical substance. What is chemical substance? The chemical substance is a form of matter that has a fixed composition and distinct properties. Chemical substance is a form of matter having constant composition or fixed composition and characteristic properties. Any material with fixed composition are called chemical substances. Can you give some examples of chemical substances? Yes, salt, sugar, soap, paste, bleaching powder, baking soda, etc. Chemical substance is a form of matter. What is matter? Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. So matter is made up of particles. Particles are atoms and molecules. Based on the physical properties, matter can be classified as solid, liquid and gas. In the solid state, molecules are tightly packed. Liquid state, molecules are loosely packed, and gaseous state, molecules are very loosely packed. Atom. Buildings are made up of bricks. In the same way, all the matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Atom is the basic unit of matter. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. The word atom is derived from the Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. Atoms are extremely smaller in size. Hydrogen is the smallest atom. Hydrogen atom is the smallest atom. Atoms cannot be seen even under the powerful microscope. Atoms of many elements exist in free state. They are chemically unreactive. Molecules. Molecule is a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together, that is tightly held together by the attractive forces. It is the smallest particle of a substance and shows all the properties of that particular substance. Molecules are formed by the combination of atoms of same element or of different elements. There are two types of molecules. Molecules of elements, molecules of compounds. Molecules of elements consist of two or more similar atoms chemically combined. Similar atoms chemically combined. Example, hydrogen. Hydrogen gas consists of hydrogen molecules. Hydrogen molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms. Oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule consists of two oxygen atoms. Ozone molecule. Ozone molecule consists of three oxygen atoms. Molecules of many elements made up of only one atom. Example, carbon, helium, neon. Molecules of compounds. Atoms of different elements join together and form molecules of compound. Example, water. What are the two different elements in water? Hydrogen and oxygen. So, two hydrogen atoms combined with one oxygen atom form one water molecule. All the matter around us is not pure. Based on the chemical properties, matter can be classified as pure substances and impure substances. Now we are going to discuss about pure substances. The substances which are made up of only one kind of particles. What is one kind of particle? That is atoms or molecules. So the substance which is made up of only one kind of particle is called pure substance. The particle may be atom or molecule. For example, sulfur. Sulfur is made up of sulfur atom. Here, salt. Salt consists of sodium chloride molecules. Common salt. It consists of sodium chloride molecules. So, pure substance is composed of only one type of particle. Based on the chemical properties, matter can be classified as pure substances and mixture. Pure substances. A material that is composed of only one type of particle is called pure substance. Elements and compounds are pure substances. Gold is an element. It is made up of gold atom. Copper is made up of copper atom. Sugar is made up of sugar molecules. Salt is made up of salt molecules. Hydrogen is made up of hydrogen atoms. Diamond is made up of carbon atoms. Elements and compounds are the pure substances. Now we are going to discuss about elements. A pure substance is made up of only one kind of atom is called element. So element is made up of only one kind of atom. Example, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. Hydrogen is an element. It is made up of hydrogen atoms. Carbon is made up of carbon atoms. Same way, oxygen is also made up of oxygen atoms. Elements can exist either as atom or molecule. Example, hydrogen. Hydrogen exists as molecule. Hydrogen molecule. Okay. Gold. Gold can exist as atom. Gold atom. Au. Formula Au. So element can exist either as atom or molecules. Compound is a pure substance. It consists of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed ratio. Okay, then compound, the elements are combined in a fixed ratio. For example, water. What are the two elements in water? Hydrogen and oxygen. They are hydrogen and oxygen combined in a fixed ratio and form water. Okay, carbon dioxide, another example. So carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen are the two elements. They are combined in a fixed ratio and form carbon dioxide, which is in the gaseous state. Okay, now compound cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical method. Examples of compounds are water, common salt and sugar. The properties of compounds are different from the properties of the elements present in the compound. The properties of the compounds are entirely different. The properties of compounds are entirely different from those of its constituent elements. Water. What are the two elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen helps in burning, but water puts out fire. Carbon dioxide. What are the two elements? Carbon and oxygen. Oxygen helps in burning, but carbon dioxide molecule, carbon dioxide compound extinguishes fire. So the properties of the compound are entirely different from the properties of the constituent elements. Now we are going to discuss about mixture. Mixtures are impure substances. Mixtures are impure substances. Okay. Two or more substances just mix together form mixture. Two or more substances just mix together and form mixture. The components are not chemically combined. The components present in the mixture are not chemically combined. we can easily separate the components from the mixture. Elements and compounds also be mixed to form a mixture. Two pure substances mix together and form a mixture. Example, air and sand. Salt solution. Another example, salt solution. So it consists of salt and water. Salt and water. It is a mixture. We can easily separate salt and water by physical method, evaporation, filtration. So mixture consists of two or more substances that are mixed together but not chemically combined. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.